If you're standing in Walmart or Target right now and you're looking at Honest Amish beard oil and wondering if it works, this video is for you. Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm Dave and welcome to Born Bearded. Today we're going to be talking about Honest Amish beard oil. You've probably seen it at your local Walmart or Target. It's easy to grab, it's budget friendly, and it works well. And at around $15 for a 2-ounce bottle, it's a solid option for those guys who are just starting to use oil or for those guys who ran out of the usual and just need to get something quick. It's reliable and it's something you can pick up in a pinch without thinking twice. For the price and convenience, it really works well. It absorbs nicely, it leaves your beard feeling soft, and it doesn't give you that greasy feel or weigh down your beard. If you're just starting to use beard oil, you're at the store and you're looking at that shelf and you have many different options, Honest Amish is a solid choice. It's also perfect if you've gone traveling and your beard oil broke or you forgot to bring it. This is going to work in a pinch and it's going to work really well. As far as scent goes, it's a natural, earthy kind of scent. It does have anise in there, so you're going to get that black licorice kind of feel to it. But if you're not concerned with fragrance or you want just a straightforward oil that does its job, this is an easy pick. So to sum it up, Honest Amish beard oil is budget friendly, easy to find, does its job. It's perfect for beginners or anybody that just wants a reliable, no-fuss oil. And here we are at the end of the video. If this video has helped you, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up. And if you want more beard advice, feel free to subscribe. Leave it down in the comments if you've tried Honest Amish and let me know what you think. And remember, your mental health is a priority, your happiness is essential, and your self-care is a necessity. I'm Dave and I was born bearded. Love you guys. Honest option. Don't laugh at me. Honest Amish is honestly an honest choice.